Hi everyone, here I am going to show a small demonstration of Zoom application parent login. Once the teacher sends the email, you can open the email and click the link here. Sign up for free. Here you need to enter your email address and the same email address you will get the notification. You can open your email and this email is received on your email. Click on that and click on activate account. So next we need to fill a small description, that is our account detail, first name, last name, and the password for the login. So here I'm adding my details here. Next, password. So the password should include the integers, digits and the alphabets. So continue. Next, here this step we can just avoid, skip this step. Go to my account. So here the application is downloading to our device, whatever it is maybe it's on mobile or the desktop device, laptop. So click download and run button there. So it's downloaded and installing on your device now. Now it's going to the configuration steps. So the downloading is completed now. After that, one pop-up window will come for the inviting some others, so we can just close this step and sign up using your email address and password that you are entered. So here the account is opening. In this account the teachers are calling, so this account, based on the timing, you can make the account in online. Okay, thank you.